Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. Just finished building this beautiful 350 Chevrolet 440 horsepower turnkey package engine for our customer's 1964 Chevy Impala. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. We've got the late model block, 4-bolt main block, 1-piece rear main seal, double roller timing chain in there, brand new balancer, correct water pump for the 64 Impala. Aluminum heads are on there. All the roller rocker arms fully adjusted and set. Correct oil pan for the 64 Impala. These beautiful Taylor ignition wires, American made. All the wire markers are on there. Chevrolet black valve covers with the matching air cleaner with the washable element. Black thermostat housing with the thermostat in there. Extra water ports for the coolant sensors if needed. Quick fuel carburetor on there. Throttle return spring, throttle cable ball and bracket, MSD ignition coil, small cap distributor for the firewall clearance on the 64 Impala. That's real important right there. PCV valve, all the ventilation hose on there. Manifold vacuum fittings installed. High torque mini starter, chrome dipstick and tube. Proper flex plate and tooth count for the customer's transmission. We have the high flow fuel pump on there. All the fittings are installed. Gas filter, heavy duty Russell fuel line. So this is the way you get it when you buy from Engine Factory. Complete turnkey, ready to go. Every engine is live run for over 45 minutes. All the settings are set. Carburetor is adjusted, timing set. You'll get a video of your engine running in the stand. Manifold vacuum reading, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature, fully dialed in, drop in ready. So when you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Thanks for watching.